Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, in life, they say act in haste and repent at leisure. There's that had I known story that seems to resonate in a lot of people's lives. Everybody really has that had I known story to tell, and it really varies in degree. But let me play you this video clip and then we'll come back.
Change one thing about myself is going back to my complexion. Do you know why? Because the stress I use in rubbing my cream every day is
So there you saw Nigerian socialite Bobrisky regretting bleaching his skin. So he's regretting bleaching his skin because of the maintenance and because of the way he looks probably and because of how his life has now changed. I'm not quite sure if his life would have been better had he maintained the way he naturally was, but certainly he's now saying what he has done to himself is now a cause for regret. And this really is the story of all of us, because there's an element of all of us that done something in the past, then we look back upon and then we think, oh, had I known, I wouldn't have done that. So what is your had I known story? Let's share had I known stories in the comment section. But before we go share had I known stories in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button first so it goes gray, and then click on the bell button as well so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Once you've done both, let's go talk stories of regrets in the comment section, or had I known stories in the comment section. Let's not use the word regret, let's use the term had I known. So let's go talk had I known stories in the comment section. So I'll leave you here and come talk had I known with you in the comment section. But here I'll say peace.